Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you are fine and having fun. Our today's topic is how to install multiple software in just one click. As you know that whenever we install fresh Windows, then we have to install some useful software in our PC. That takes longer time and we have to press next several times. But in this video I will show you how to install all free software with just one click. Just go to Google and search for this. This link is also given in the description of this video. Install and update all your programs at once, no toolbars. No clicking next. Just pick your apps and go. Always up to date, you don't have to watch for updates. How Ninite works: always install the latest version of an app, install the right 32-bit or 64-bit version for a PC, install apps in the PC's language, skip apps that are already up to date, upgrade an app if it's out of date. Just select the apps you want to install on your PC, these are all free software. When it is done, scroll down and press, Get Your Ninite. The download process will begin shortly. If it don't start you can retry by clicking here. The file is downloaded, just click open. Now just wait for it. It will automatically install the selected software, which depend on the speed of your internet, and you don't need to press next or finish for that. As you can see that it's installing Chrome now and all the software will be installed shortly. Now that Ninite knows which apps it's installing on this PC, it begins to download and install each one. Downloads and installations work through the list of apps independently, so as the first app is being installed the second and third may be completely downloaded. Ninite Pro has a download cache that often allows the download step to be skipped and lets Ninite finish faster. It will take longer if you select more apps, so wait for the process till completion. And as you notice that I haven't pressed the next or finish button and it is installing automatically. As I had selected just 3 apps to save your time, you can select install more if you want. And now you can see that the process is completed successfully. Just press close and enjoy using your apps. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want me cover any other topic on this channel just comment below. See you in next video, bye.